GetResponse email marketing tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use GetResponse in creating email marketing. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on GetResponse, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is GetResponse, it is a comprehensive email marketing platform which is focused on simplifying the process of sending e-newsletters. Over the years, it has evolved into an all-in-one marketing solution that integrates various features beyond traditional email marketing, including automation, e-commerce tools, and analytics. And also, the platform enables users to create and manage mailing lists, automate marketing campaigns through autoresponders, and analyze campaign performance with robust analytic tools. Notably, GetResponse boasts a high deliverability rate of 99.5%. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click create a free account button in here or sign up for free. And after that, you could simply fill out the required information such as your full name, email, password, or you could also use Google or Microsoft account in here to sign up. Then you will be directed on this page and it will show you below here some other data, and on the top panel we have here tools that you could also start navigating, and also contacts in here that it will show you all of the lists of your contacts and leads on this page. You could also navigate here this reports option on the top panel, in which it will show you a variety of data email marketing in here that you can create, the contacts, automation, e-commerce, and many more. And now if you go back to the dashboard section, or by clicking right here, you'll be able to see here that it serves as a central hub for users to manage and monitor their email marketing campaigns and overall marketing activities. So you can see here the onboarding call, the affiliate programs, tip and tricks, and any other details on this overview, and also quick actions in here. You could also explore GetResponse, such as to build an audience, start campaign, send an email, and even promote store in here. And let's say we're going to start this tutorial or start campaigning, and upon clicking on the button, you'll now be able to be directed on this page when all you need to do is simply enter here or fill out the required information to do so in order to start a campaign on this platform. But going back in here, aside from that, we'd also navigate in here some other content creation to publish course, start a premium newsletter, and promote course. While on the top right corner, you can navigate these interactive guides, including to import your contacts. Well, by this notification, you'll be able to see all of the notification and updates. And also from here, you can navigate your profiles to manage your account, team, emails and domains, files and images, mobile apps, refer a friend, and affiliate program. But moving back on the top panel, under these contacts, from here you can navigate the search, the segments, reports, list hygiene, in which this option serves as a crucial purpose in providing users with extensive analytics and insights into their email marketing campaigns and overall digital marketing performance. And now, for example, under this list, we want to create a new list. So to do that, kindly click this create list button below here. Then on this pop-up window, just simply enter the name of the list that you want to create and click the create button to proceed. So basically, this feature allows marketers to analyze various metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, device preferences, and unsubscribe rates, enabling them to make data-driven decisions to optimize their strategies. And now from here, by clicking these three dots, you could also add the contacts, make a default settings, show contacts, and many more. And by clicking add contacts, you'll be able to be directed on this page, where you can fill out the required information to add a contact in here, such as the email and the name of your contact. And now going back to this page, since we're trying to make an email marketing, just go to this reports option on the top panel, and below under this, kindly click under this email marketing, the create newsletter button to proceed, in which upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page, where all you need to do is to simply fill out the required information, including the title of the messages in here. For example, I'm going to enter welcome to team in here. Then as you can see below here, you could also enter the email from and also reply to email address in here. And after that, if you scroll down below here, you could also enter the subject line or customize this one that answer the question, how do you want to stand out in the recipient's inbox? You could also click this icon right here to add a contact data fields if you want to, such as birth date, first name, gender, and many more. Or you could use this AI subject line generator. By clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And all you need to do is simply enter the keywords and also answer the question, what kind of business do you have? Then click generate button to start creating the subject line, and after that you will now be able to see here the subject line that has been generated. So can you click any of this, and after that it will show in here the result. Then proceed by adding a recipient or the person that will receive this kind of email marketing that we're going to create. So I'm going to choose the list, or you could also click the segments if you want to and click add to proceed. Now moving on below here, you could even add the design and content, where you can start designing for email marketing in here. By clicking this design message, you'll automatically be directed on this page. And all you need to do is simply select here the template that you prefer. And as you can see, we have here a variety of template to choose from. However, you could also select or choose under this all categories on the left side panel. And I'm going to choose welcome. And after that, you'll be able to see the result. So kindly click or choose by clicking this use template. And after that, you'll now be able to be directed on the next stage. I'm simply customizing the template. So from here, it will show you on the right side panel the editing tools that you can use. But you could also simply click any of this, such as the context. I'm going to change which is welcome to team. And you could also select the logo if you want to. By clicking on it on the right side panel, you'll be able to replace the images or logo, embed from URL, and even adjust the width, height, and other kind of image alignment in here, and many more. So you could also arrange the structure of your layout in here. For example, I'm going to change or input the logo below welcome to team in here, while this welcome message I'm going to input at the top of it. So you can simply drag any kind of elements in here that you prefer. Moving on below, you could also adjust to edit the context or the content in here, the button, the background color, the line spacing, and many more. But if you're now done, just click the next button on the top right corner to proceed. And after doing that, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here. And if you're now done below designing your content, you could now proceed by clicking the send immediately button below here, or you could also choose to schedule for later. But I'm going to click send message to proceed, and upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to see the result, in which it will show you that your message or your email marketing has now been sent. So basically, one of the purposes of creating email marketing is that it enables businesses to build and nurture relationships with their audience by facilitating direct communication through personalized emails. And this direct engagement helps in developing a loyal customer base. Businesses can send tailored content that resonates with the interests and needs of their subscribers. And as you can see in here, it will show us a variety of tools that we could also choose from, which might be helpful in managing our own business. And aside from that, if you also want to upgrade your account to any of the plan, you could also avail some of the plan that they offer. They have here a variety of plan with its corresponding pricing and list of benefits included on each plan right here. So you can simply choose and subscribe to any of the plan depending on your needs on your business. But overall, that is just basically how you can create email marketing in GetResponse. Thank you.